Hi, my name is Prateek Kaushik. I'm part of the PAMEX team. We have been organizing PAMEX for several years now, and the 2026 edition, printpackaging.com, is the event partners, and the show is part of the All India Federation for Master Printers.
Okay, so what defines PAMEX 2026 as a milestone edition?
Well, it's a milestone edition, definitely, and PAMEX this year is the biggest PAMEX edition in its history. We are there here in Bombay Exhibition Center across three halls, hall number 1, 2, and 3, spread over about 40,000 square meters of exhibition space. Several global and international participation is present, along with several live machines and special innovations and displays on the floor of the expo.
Okay, so what new segments are introduced this year?
Well, the theme overall is sustainability. So we are looking at how print can bring along sustainability. Most of the exhibitors are looking to showcase innovative technologies. Various segments are covered. We are covering the entire gamut of the print fraternity. We are looking at print converting as well, and also applications beyond print, where sustainability is the key motive.
Okay, so how strong is international exhibitor participation?
Well, PAMEX has always been growing, and we've had several international exhibitors coming and participating in this event. We've had representations from almost 27 countries, and global exhibitors or their partners in India have been showcasing live machines and product displays at this event.
Okay, now if we talk about the trend focus, what major industry trend are in the focus?
Well, print honestly is bringing the next change in the world, and today print is a medium to reach for any package applications and customers essentially. So this exhibition essentially focuses on how print can revolutionize packaging applications, commercial activities as well, and it opens up a Pandora of applications in various aspects of print.
Okay, now talking about the sustainability. So how is sustainability addressed at PAMEX 2026?
Well, we try to make ourselves as eco-friendly as possible, so we take care of the recycling aspects of such a large exhibitions. A lot of companies come in globally, so we manage essentially processes or streamline processes that are sustainable. And as responsible organizers, we ensure that whatever is left after this exhibition
Okay.
is recycled and we send it to the right destination in terms of its final destination.
Okay, such a lovely initiative we can say. So, what benefits does PAMEX offer first time exhibitors?
Well, while it's a very old exhibition, every year there are several new exhibitors that come up. Our idea is not only to ensure that the larger exhibitors get benefit out of this exhibition, but even the smallest of exhibitors, they get a chance to have shoulders with the biggest players in the industry and meet their target customers. And these customers come in from various centers across the country, smaller towns. Our focus has always been several roadshows, going to the grassroots, and ensuring that the smaller printers come up and are creating the new waves, especially coming out of these small towns and B towns of the country.
Okay, now if we talk about the MSMEs, so how does PAMEX support MSME printers and converters?
Well, the idea, as I mentioned, that our initiatives have been to ensure that the smaller participation also grows, and PAMEX is a MSME approved event, so it gives benefits to a lot of MSME members, not only in terms of their exhibition participation, but there are several MSME units as printers which also get benefit by attending this event.
Okay, so what kind of buyers are you targeting this year?
Well, today PAMEX is a global show. So we've got footprints across the world. You can see a lot of international visitors present at this event as we walk the aisles, and you can see how busy these aisles have been. When you walk across several live demos, the product displays that are there, and various innovative equipments that have come in, and various applications that are being showcased by different exhibitors. So we've got a global footprint, and as I mentioned, more than 27 countries are represented, and we get international visitors across the region as well.
Okay, talking about the national initiatives like Make in India, Viksit Bharat, how is PAMEX contributing to that?
Well, PAMEX, of course, is a show which is owned by the All India Federation for Master Printers. It's the initiative of this federation is to ensure that the Indian manufacturers get the due opportunities that they are, and there's a lot of upgradation today which the Indian manufacturers have done, and they are now competing with the global brands and exporting from India as leading manufacturers. Not only they get this opportunity of presenting themselves as Make in India products, these platforms like PAMEX ensure they get global visibility as well.
Okay, now coming to the last question, what is PAMEX long-term vision for the industry?
Well, we are looking at sustainability as the core theme, but in the next edition, what we are looking at is also the advent of the use of AI and artificial intelligence, and also automation going forward in the industry.
Thank you.